I had the question, what would I do behind the dryers? How would I do the ceiling? And I'm going to show you, this is exactly what I would do if I was building this thing from scratch. Hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what the sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching. I'm gonna try to get back where you can see this. See, the dryer will be right there where Willie's standing. There'll be about 4 more. I do a metal wall, studs, there'll be a door there. I'll insulate this all with unfaced insulation, R19. On the outside of this, I'll put pole barn metal, and I'll trim out the edges. On the back side of this, I'll do fire-rated drywall all across there, all around the door. Now above, no matter what my situation is, I insulate it like that, and I'll usually put a vapor barrier on the back side of this too. So right there we don't have the vapor barrier up, but underneath that metal is a plastic vapor barrier. Then I put up metal, or I'll put up fire-rated drywall. I will not use wood above dryers if I'm building them. I try not to. If anything, get wood that's coated for fire rating. It's just going to save you in the long run if you ever have a dryer fire. But this is what I make it look like. You want it insulated. Because you got to remember, this is going to be open to the outside. Exhaust air from our dryers is going out this wall. So we'll have more than 8 feet between our vents and our intake. Now the way this laundromat used to be set up, these holes here are actually intakes. Those were the vents. It was within 2 foot. You can see there's more vents. These were the exhaust and this was the intake. That's totally wrong. You'll have tons of dryer dust back here. You'll have tons of lint build up back here and you'll be cleaning it all the time. So, and even up here I have a power vent, which I love. I'll actually build a hole through here, a small one, and build a tunnel, and that'll suck out the hot air. So midway through the season, you know, early in the season, I don't have to run the air conditioning. But that's how I would make this. This is what I would do. If you're going to seal up behind your dryers, that's what you want it to look like. So, hope that answers your question. And you can see this is what it should look like. You should have a panel back here. You should have all your electrical, your gas line with all your fittings. Should be back here. That's a 2-inch gas line so that we have enough flow. And each outlet for the dryer is on its own breaker back here. We want a light, and this is perfect. This is what you want. I don't know if you can see it. This is what it looks like. It's a dryer wall there. It's the washers. Get back here and show you. This is what I look for. You know, that's going to be an access hole. But yeah, metal above your dryers, insulation with no backing, fire-rated drywall. Have your ceiling closed off. This will be exhaust over here only. Then at this end up here I'll have the intake. So if you're curious, that's what we got so far. That's our mess. Right, Willie?
Yep.
Got any wise words of wisdom?
No.
No.
Not heard of it.